Hi guys. Okay, so I'm sorry about all the background noise. That's my brother playing Fortnite. Today we are in the game and we made backup accounts except Glitter 1088. But this is Croapy. Okay, why am I Jackie and I made another account and Casey just decided to keep her account. So today we're gonna be like joking around. Okay, brother's talking so much. I'm so sorry. But yeah, so at least the videos are not as laggy. They're still a little laggy. And Sally, you cannot hear them yet, but let's go joke. So guys, oh, hi. What do you guys think we should do? Like, what should we spam? We don't care if we get banned. Oh my gosh, now she's dancing. What? Okay, let's do it. Get in line. First, like in caps, I want butts, butts. Guys, I got kicked from the server. Did anybody else get kicked from the server? Everybody got kicked from the server. That was so easy. What? You were kicked from this game, basic admin. You were kicked from the server. This was so easy to get kicked. Like, I want to get banned. Croapy didn't get picked. Wait. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to rejoin. I have 0 Robux on this account, of course, because I'm not going to spend my money on just this account. They're actually talking right now on Discord, but sadly you guys cannot hear them. Hopefully, I'm super scared because like I don't want to get a virus. So we're joining. This game, all these cafe games lag my screen so badly. It's crazy. I don't know why. I want you guys to know that my videos will not be longer than 15 minutes because my screen because I'm a cheapskate. Okay, guys, are you ready? Oh, it gives me this tour. Oh, and Cubans is also in this game, but sadly, I don't think he's gonna be like participating. This game is so easy to get kicked from. It's crazy. I keep moving my mouse so slowly. I'm just watching. Yeah, he's just watching. Cuban, say hi. Say hi. Okay, so Jackie, where are you? And Casey, where are you? I'm in the inside. I'm here. Oddly specific, Casey. OMG, I'm stuck on the floor. Somebody help me. Okay, there. Okay, guys, let's go. In line, let's go over here. Everybody go to a different cashier. By the way, this is all totally inspired by HYPERCOOKIIE, and HYPERCOOKIIE is one of our favorite YouTubers. And Jackie, mute. You're super, Jackie, you're super mute. Okay, so yeah, and she inspired us, and hopefully, if we don't forget, we will link her down in the description down below. So yeah, because we don't just want to take all the credit, even though it wasn't our idea. So yeah, this video is going so oddly. Like we, dude, these people suck at being a cashier. Just start spamming butt, guys. Butts. You want butts now, or else. I don't know. I just want butts. Guys, start spamming butts. 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 We don't care if we get banned. Butts. Enter. Okay, there. Butts. Oh my gosh, butts. I almost accidentally said buddies. Butts. Nobody else is spamming. Guys, help me. Butts. It's not letting me say it anymore. But hopefully it works again. What? Okay, let's just start spamming. I don't know what to spam. I'm surprised that we haven't gotten any kids though. That person said no trolling, please. Why? You see like MK. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, what should we spam? Say in the chat, please, so that the viewers can see. Okay. Okay. What? Okay. I just got called. And I was in the middle of the video. Bacon. Start spamming bacon. 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 I love bacon. 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 Guys, start spamming bacon. Casey and Jackie. Bacon. 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 Now. Or else, I don't know. Bacon. I keep spelling it wrong. Ugh. Bacon. Oh my gosh. My brother keeps yelling. Bakken, what? Bacon. 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 This is a bakery, but I don't even care. Bacon. Bacon. How have we not gotten kicked yet? Bacon.